good evening and welcome to 9th and 10th channel of Byju's. I'm your teacher Ankita and I welcome you in today's very special session where we'll be focusing on class 9th graders and we'll be looking at the questions from the chapter which came in the previous years, or which are really very important questions from the chapter, the fundamental unit of life. So I hope that all of you are ready. Hello Kamna. Hello Sunita. Hello Tissues. Hello Manmeet. Mihir, good evening honey, good evening Anshika, Isha, Mehek, Manjeet, Radhika, Ridhima, Chintu, Rajni, Shoaib, Shami, Learn with Anant. Hello Kamini, hello Shoaib, Prachi, Mehek, Kailash. Good evening everyone. I hope that all of you are in good health. Hi Muskan, Nandini. I hope that you can see this. I hope that you can see this cute little smiley that I've made for you. Yes, hello everyone. आज मेंटी नहीं है. Hi Rhythm. Hi Jayashri. Hi Hardik. Hi Meet. Hi Mihir. Radhika. Okay. We don't have menti today, but we have important questions. Okay? And we will be finishing these questions really very soon. Okay? Yes. Okay everyone, so I want all of you to stay. You know that we don't have mentees, right? We don't have menti in these particular session, which is the previous year question paper or the most important 20 questions, right? Good evening. So everyone, we will be starting the session. I hope that I'm clearly audible and visible to you, right? It's really important. It's really very important for you to tell me that I'm clearly audible and visible. Hi Sabia. Saiba, sorry. Hi Saiba. Hi Ranveer. Yes. Hello. Not ignoring you anyone. Not ignoring you Harika. Hi Ashraf. Hi Mithu. Yes. Hello Rima. Okay, let's get started everyone. Right, you know the drill. Right, we'll start right away. Okay, we'll start right away. It's a very interesting session. You have to help me. We have a theory questions and of course we'll be discussing that how we can write the answer in the examination. Now I'm sure you will be the one who will be going into class 10th and you should have a mindset that how to write the questions, right? What is important and how we should address it. Okay. Hello Rajat. Hello everyone. Okay. Like target is what? Like target is 50. Let's start with 50 everyone. Okay. Very quickly everyone. We have then that many students in the class. So please make sure you hit the like button. Hit the like button everyone and then we'll start. Right? We have 50 students. So please make sure to have 50 likes. Yes! We don't have the Menti Epic. Aaj we'll be just discussing the question and answers. That full book, yes, Ranveer, it is confirmed that, right, in your term 2 or the annual examination in class 9th, you have only 3 chapters. Not the full book. It's confirmed that the full book will not come. So in bio, we have three chapters. We have fundamental unit of life, tissues and improvement. Okay, these 3 chapters will be you will have in your annual examination. Okay, yes, very good. I can see the number of likes getting increased. Very good everyone. Fatafat, let's have 50 likes and then we'll start. Okay, you tell me which is a difficult topic in this particular chapter. Which is the most difficult topic in this chapter? Jaldi batao. Right? Okay, which topic you find it's really very difficult or you feel that this chapter is really very easy? Yes, Rajat, I'm good. Thank you for asking. Yes, Purna, here we have. Yes, Vinayak. We don't have Menti. I can see types of solution is difficult, okay, for a few of us. Okay, let me just quickly write over here. We have types of different solutions. Then of course, I saw that cell division also, right? Cell division. Okay. What else? I think these are the 2 a little bit difficult topic. Rest all is very pretty much chill pill. Yes, reticulum, ER. Okay. Basically the organelles, I would say. Right? All the organelles. Please Anshika, you can write it out. Yes, Anamika. Yes, the remaining is easy peasy. Okay. Okay, everyone. Yes. Maruti, my name is Ankita. Very good. Suraj cell. Difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell organelles and cell division. Okay, everyone. We will be looking forward. We will be looking at each of these topics that you have mentioned. Okay. So let's get started. Right, here we have question number 1, everyone, on your screen. Right, it's a theory question. So there will be no polls, but you can write the answers. You can tell me what you know about the particular topic over here. You tell me, everyone, what will happen if the plasma membrane ruptures or breakdowns? It's a very easy question. Okay, Harini, we will be discussing about that. Diffusion and osmosis, noted your point. Right? As in when we'll move ahead, we'll have all of these topics, so don't worry. What will happen? Tell me, everyone, if the plasma membrane rupture, what will happen? We know that the plasma membrane is present in the animal cell as well as in the plant cells. In animal cells, it's the outermost membrane, right? So, if we don't have the plasma membrane, what will happen? If it will rupture, if this is a cell, just imagine if this is a plasma membrane. Okay, we have all of this inside the cell. Just imagine if this is not there, what will happen? Everything which is there inside the cell will come out, right? Cell will burst and everything which we have in the cell will come out and the cell will eventually die. So easy peasy question, everyone. All the content that we have in the cell will come out and eventually the cell will die. So it's a 2 marks question that can come in your examination. This is how you can write. The plasma membrane rupture, all the material will leak and eventually the cell will die. Very good. The cell will burst. Absolutely correct. The cell will die immediately. Absolutely correct. Okay. So this is how you can frame your answer. Easy peasy, right? So we will give ourselves marks. कार्तिक क्लास 10th में एनसीईआरटी सम पेपर करके फुल मार्क्स स्कोर कर सकता है? हाँ, बिल्कुल कर सकता है. If you study really very seriously, you'll be able to. Yes, okay. So everyone, 1 out of 1 दे दे, right? 1 out of 1 to each one of us. Or wait, I will make. Okay, everyone, this is Kaju Katli for you. Chalo, we'll have the mithai, everyone. This is Kaju Katli, KK. So there's a Kaju Katli for you, everyone. Mithai. It's a holiday season is starting, right? And we will be spreading the mithai. We don't have Menti today. We have all the theory questions. Flint, you have to wait, bache. We don't have the Menti today. Yes? We'll have it in the future. Don't worry. Okay. Next question, everyone. Next question. I can see people are opening their mouth. Chalo, Kaju Katli khate hain. Very good. Hello, Sufia. Yes. You don't have the sample paper Ranveer for class 9 because every school make their own question paper. So we'll have some sample paper in the sense what can come, what are the important questions. Okay. No issues, no issues. Safia, welcome. Okay. What would happen to the cell of a life of a cell if there is no Golgi apparatus? Easy peasy, everyone, for 2 marks or 1 marks. What will happen? Tell me what will happen if the Golgi apparatus are not there? Akshita, it's no issues. Welcome to the class. Fatima, we don't have Menti today, bache. Ankit, I know that you're in class 8. Welcome. Very good, Regu. There's no transportation. No transportation will take place. Very easy, right? Yes. थोड़े बहुत अलग है अंशिका, थोड़े बहुत अलग है. Yes, Harshit. Kanhaiya Yadav. Very good, very good. Yes. So if there's no Golgi apparatus, of course we know that there will be no transportation. Right? Yes. Let's take a look, everyone, at over here and let's understand what are Golgi apparatus. I can see there are few of you have, yes, I know, Fatima. Right? So everyone, let's understand what is Golgi apparatus. Ranveer, you have focus over here. So Golgi apparatus is an organelle which is present in the cell, right? And it is a one that we call it as a postman. Right, everyone? We call it as a postman of the cell. Yes or no? Right? This actually receives the proteins, right, from the ER and it goes inside the Golgi apparatus where we'll see the modification of it, packaging of it and the transportation of it. So if the Golgi apparatus is not there, nothing will happen. There will be no modification, no packaging and no transportation. Apart from that, we know that if the Golgi apparatus are not there, the formation or basically the lysosomes will not be there. When we talk about the structure of the Golgi apparatus, we know that they are flat membrane bound vesicles. We can see over here, right? And they have the cisterns. Can you see the parallel stack? Very good, right? We can see this parallel stack, right? These are the cisterns. They're stacked parallelly to each other and they are responsible for packaging the material which is synthesized in the ER. Okay? Very good. Yes, Camillo Golgi discovered it. Very good. So this is how you can write the answer in the examination. Okay? Here we go. So the Golgi apparatus is commonly known as the postman of the cell, right? And it is responsible for the packaging protein and transporting them within the cell and the outside. Clear? Clear everyone? Yes. I hope everyone, all of you are focusing here. Yes, Rajni, unit test 2 चल रहा है 6, 7 and 8 channel पे बच्चे. Yes, okay. Very congratulations to you. Okay, चलिए. It is also responsible for the formation of lysosomes, which is very good, right? Which we know that. And if it's not there, of course, lysosomes will not be there. Okay. And lysosomes, we know that, plays a very important role in clearing out the waste material in the cells. And we also call them as suicide bags of the cell. Okay. Everyone, this time I'm giving you jalebi. Jalebi किसे खानी है? Yes, come on, come on. Arre. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Everyone, let's focus. Jalebi for you. ठीक है? Flint, thank you so much, but please don't spam now. Okay? Yes. This question can come for 3 marks, but over here, by looking at the question, right, we have it for 2 marks. Okay. No issues, no issues. Yes, very good, very good. Okay. Let's move here, everyone. This is easy peasy. Fatafat, you write the answer in the chat box. We have to match A and B. So we have 2 columns, right? We have A and we have B column. We have to match it quickly. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, nucleoid, food vacuole and chromatin material. Yes, please write your questions, right? I will take it after 5 questions. After 5th question, I will take your doubts. But usse pehle nahi. Let's focus over here. Okay, very good, very good. Yes. It came in the same, in your half-yearly section. That's very nice. So what, everyone? The smooth endoplasmic reticulum, what is the function of it? Yes? Okay. So we know that smooth endoplasmic reticulum actually helps in the detoxification, right? A ka, we will match it with 4. It helps in the detoxification. Then lysosomes are called as the suicide bags, right, of the cell. Then we have nucleoid. Nucleoid where we have in bacteria. C ka 3. Bacteria may will have the nucleoid. Then D is food vacuole. Where we have the food vacuole? In amoeba, very good. D ka 1. And what are we left with? E. Chromatin material, and that is there in the nucleus. Clear? Yes, Indu. Sufia, yes. I know, see over here, bachi. Here we have the answer. Okay, yahan pe hai answer. So we know that smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in clearing out the toxic, right? So it actually help in the detoxification. Jitna bhi toxic hota hai, we know that liver may we have these, right? We have more of the smooth ER which actually help in clearing out the toxic, right? Fir hai lysosomes. Lysosomes are called as the suicide bags of the cell. Why? Because they have the hydrolytic enzymes, right? And these enzymes when released, they will actually kill the cell. Then we have nucleoid. Nucleoid is nothing but the genetic material present in the bacteria. It's not enclosed by the nuclear membrane. Very good, very good. Yes. Please write your doubt. Then we have food vacuole. Food vacuole is present in the amoeba, where of course the digestion of food will occur. And we have chromatin material. Chromatin material is not same as chromosome. Chromatin material is present, basically is this particular structure, right, which is very highly coiled. And when this forms this structure, we call this as chromosome. Okay, I hope that it's clear, everyone. See, chromosomes, these are the chromosomes. Yes or no? Everyone, are we clear? These are the chromosomes. What we call them as? We call them as chromosomes. Now these chromosomes will be only visible during the cell division. If the cell division is not happening, we will have this thread-like structure in the cell. Okay, this is called as chromatin material. Okay, thumbs up everyone. Yes, very good. I will be answering your doubt. I will. Clear, right? Awesome. Okay. Now I can see this very interesting doubt that we have. Okay everyone, what is unicellular organism? Can you tell me? And what is multicellular organism? Quickly, unicellular and multicellular? Yes, the unicellular organism will just one single cell. Single cell. Example is amoeba, right? Very good. Made up of one single cell. Absolutely correct. I think few of you have a doubt in this, so for you. Then multicellular organisms made up of more than one cell. Basically 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. An example is humans. Very good. Acha, now everyone tell me, what is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic? I know that you know this, easy peasy everyone. What is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic? Yes. If I can draw the diagram, and over here we have, right? They have the nucleoid. No nucleus. Very, very big difference everyone, right? They don't have the defined nucleus. Whereas in prokaryotes have nucleus. Right? Yes. Then of course in eukaryotes, we know that they have membrane bound organelles, right? All the organelles that are present will have a membrane. Very good, Ramya. Yes, absolutely correct everyone. In prokaryotes, no membrane bound organelle. Clear? Very good. Chaliye. This is sorted, right? So I hope that those of you have doubts, it's clear. In prokaryotes, we'll have the flagella. In eukaryotes, no flagella. Yes. Very good. Yes. Ashraf, yes, they have the chromosomes and they don't have the chromosomes. Okay. Darshan, we don't have the code. It's a theory class. We don't have the code. Okay, everyone. Come on, everyone, answer this question. Why does the skin of your fingers shrink when you wash clothes for a long time? If you do that, please tell me. Now, even if we wash our hands for a very long time, we know that we will see the shrinking happening on our fingers, right? Yes, right? Ramya, nucleic acid basically is a type of course, the compounds and the molecules that we have in the body, right? So DNA and RNA are type. Absolutely correct, is because of the osmosis. So what is osmosis? We know that in osmosis, water molecule, everyone, water molecules will move from the higher concentration to the lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Yes or no? Yes or no, right? You know that, right? They will be moving through a semi-permeable membrane. Basically, they need a membrane to move, right? So, in our skin also, over here, we have the plasma membrane, right? That will be acting as it. Yes. So, we have over here that the osmosis is a process that will be happening, right? And of course, the hypertonic solution which we have in the surf, right? Basically, the hypertonic solution have a high amount of solute, and of course, the water will move. So, the detergent has more of salt, right? And of course, in our fingers, of course, in our body, we have more of water. So, the water will move. Very good. Now, I can talk about the different types of solution. Okay, everyone? Let's focus. Can you tell me how many types of solutions we have? जल्दी से. There are 3 types of solution. Hypo, जो बच्चे बहुत टाइम से पढ़ रहे हैं ना from the very beginning, they know this. Hyper and iso. 3 types of solution, right? Hypotonic, hypo. Remember always the hippo over here, hippopotamus, right? The cell will swell. Right, what we'll see? We'll see that the cell will swell up. Yes, the water will move inside the cell. Easiest example, right? Easiest example of the raisin. If you have the kishmish, right, or the raisin, if you put in the water overnight, you will see that it will swell in the morning. Yes or no? Yes? Very good. So that is the hypotonic solution. Very good, Purnima. Very good. Yes, very good, Anand. Now, in hypertonic solution, we know that the cell will shrink, right? The cell will shrink. So, if the cell is like this, right? And in its surrounding, we have more of salt. बाहर पानी कम है, cell के पास ज़्यादा पानी, तो what will happen? It will give it water and it will shrink. Clear? Yes, it will shrink. Loss of water, absolutely correct. Ranveer, you tell me, see, almonds become really very soft. So definitely water is going inside them. Okay? Yes. Awesome. And isotonic mein we'll see the equal amount of water moving in and out. Clear? Yes. Right? In the isotonic solution, we'll know that there will be equal amount of water moving in and out. Hyper mein, we know that in hypertonic solution, what will happen? The water will move out of the cell. Good. Please write your doubt, Kushal. Ma'am, does all the cells have chromosomes? Then why we call... Yes, in our body, all the cells will have chromosomes. The same goes for other organisms also. So mostly, in ideal case situation, if there is no changes in the body, all the cells will have same number of chromosomes. Okay, Kushal? Yes. Okay, everyone. So over here, this is how we can frame the answer. Look over here, everyone. Soap solution is very concentrated. It has more amount of salt. So the hypertonic alkaline solution, what will happen? The water from the skin will move out and we will have shrinkage, right? So see, everyone, we can mention about the exoosmosis, and this is how you can write the answer. Clear? Yes? Yes, very good, very good. Everyone, let's make sure to maintain the decorum of the class, right? Those of you who are chatting in between, please make sure you're not doing that. The moderator will put you on a timeout. Okay. Okay, everyone, here we go. Acha, last question मैंने कुछ खिलाया नहीं आपको. Do you need any sweet? Mihir, they have the RNA बच्चे. Which type of DNA they have? DNA they have. Yes, they have. Yes. Okay. Yes, okay. Chalo. We have this question and then we'll have the Kaju Katli. मोतीचूर के लड्डू, हाँ लड्डू भी खा सकते हैं, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. चलिए everyone, here we have the question. If you are provided with some vegetables to cook, you generally add the salt into the vegetable during the cooking process. After adding salt, vegetables release water. What is the mechanism? We have just discussed. It, right? Vegetables, and when we add the salt, what will happen? Water is coming out, right? And this is because of the exoosmosis or endoosmosis. Awesome. It's the hypertonic solution basically, right? And of course, we know that osmosis will happen and the water is moving out. Exoosmosis. Exo means bahar jana. Endo means andar aana. Endo means it's coming inside. Exo means exit. Okay? So exoosmosis means when water will move out. Endoosmosis means when the water will move in. So in this particular question, the solution that we are talking about is the hypertonic solution. Clear? Yes, yes, yes. Are we clear, everyone? Yes, okay, this is the hypertonic solution. This is how you can frame your answer. Exoosmosis is a process, of course, in which we'll see that the movement will be happening from inside to outside, right? Exiting. And in exoosmosis only, the cell we placed, it's a hypertonic solution, and we know that the vegetables will be releasing the water. Yes. Vaishnavi, what do you think? Both in plant and animal cells, it does. But we have the cell wall there. So think about it, what will happen? Tissue is a type, basically tissue is a group of cells that are working together. It could be same type, different type. Rajni. Yes. Right everyone, clear? Very good, very good. So this time I have kheer for you. ठीक है? खीर बनाते हैं आपके लिए. Right, so we have a kheer. Kheer khao. Okay? Payasam, we have the payasam over here. Very easy peasy question everyone. Halwa, halwa bhi aayega. We'll have the halwa also. So we're clear with this, right? Very good everyone. So good to see that all of you are super excited, right? And of course we're doing super amazing everyone. Chaliye. Let's move to the next question, and here we have the next question. Here we have. Oh, this is very easy. Come on everyone. Very quickly. Gajar ka halwa, right? We'll have that also. Name the organelle which shows analog written as the follows. Okay, which is the transporting channel of the cell? ER. ER or Golgi apparatus? Think about it. ER or Golgi apparatus? Very good. Powerhouse of the cell is mitochondria. Packaging and dispatching unit? Golgi apparatus. Digestive bag of the cell? I will tell. It's the lysosomes. Awesome everyone. So this is an easy peasy answer. So we have the answer over here with us. It's ER, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus and lysosomes. Remember this. Okay. Now I think I can draw gajar ka halwa. Matlab, yeah, gajar ka halwa is red in color, so yeah, here we have. Gajar ka halwa. Right? Yummy yummy gajar ka halwa. Very good, very good. We'll add some kajus also. Right? And some almonds also. And kishmish also. Clear? Done? Chalo. This question is done everyone. Yummy, right? Everyone, after this session, you have your dinner, right? So let's just focus. We'll have the motichur ka laddu also. After this we'll have. Oh yes, we have to add the pistas also. Pistas will add a yummy flavor. That's nice, Pranjal. All the best, bache. That's your hard work. Good evening, good evening. Okay. Question number 7, everyone, on your screen. So we have this plant cell. Now we have to label basically, we have to label this. I think over here we have. Bundi ka halwa. Haan, bundi ka halwa also. Chalo. Everyone, what is our, basically we have to determine. Chalo, we'll go back and forth. Sorry, here we have. Determine the function, the development of the cell. Which part in the plant cells will actually help in determining the function, the development of the cell? Quickly everyone. अरे वाह, चिकी भी बनाएंगे बिल्कुल. Mihir, they have DNA. Yes? Okay, okay. Yes, absolutely correct everyone. So the correct answer to this is nucleus, right? So nucleus is the one that actually help in the development. Clear? Then of course we have packaging. Packaging material coming from the ER. It goes to, Ramya have shared all the answers with us. It's the Golgi apparatus. See over here. No, exactly we don't have it over here. We have here. We have the Golgi apparatus. Absolutely correct. Then we have provide resistance of microbes. Achha, this is cell wall. Which is the one which actually provides the resistance from the entering of the bacteria in the plant cell? Which is the non-living structure which is very rigid? Very good. It's the cell wall. Okay. Next. Where will have the biochemical reactions, everyone? Where will have the biochemical reactions happening in the cell? Very good. All the students who are saying cell wall, very good. Yes, it's the cytoplasm. And then we have the last one, a fluid contained inside the nucleus. Acha, in the nucleus we have a fluid, right? What we call it as? Right, in the nucleus we have a fluid. Cell sap, no. Nucleic acid, no. The fluid which is present inside the nucleus, very good, Mihir. Right, we call it as the nucleoplasm, right? It's the nucleoplasm. Yes. Yes, I will draw, but not now in the end. So Vaishnavi, so rigidity when we talk about, definitely cell wall plays a very important role. Vacuoles give the structure, right? And it actually assures that the shape of the cell is intact. Yes. Okay everyone, now let's have the gajar ka halwa. Right, we'll have the gajar ka halwa. Yes. So we have, यहाँ पे दिखेगा नहीं उतना, but we have added all the things. I think Innocent Harshit, I've missed your question. Can you type it again? Okay. Yes. Everyone, let's move to the next question. Okay, this is easy peasy. What is the difference between the ER? There are two types of ER, right? What is the difference between ER? RER and we have smooth SER. RER and SER. Easy peasy, jaldi jaldi. It has ribosomes, very good. No ribosomes. It helps with the synthesis of proteins. Protein synthesis, right? It actually helps in the synthesis of proteins. And this actually helps in the synthesis of lipids. Two important points we should remember. Yes. Very good. And both of these plays a very important role in membrane biogenesis, right? So membrane biogenesis is nothing but the formation of plasma membrane. Right? If this is the plasma membrane, it needs both the protein plus lipid. To make the plasma membrane, we need both the things. We need lipids and the proteins. Yes. I know. Yes. So here we have everyone. This is for all of us to remember. Right? So this is how you can remember, write the answer in the examination also. The two difference and then the definition of membrane biogenesis. Yes, it actually helps in the fat globules, building and repairing of the cell membrane. Absolutely correct. Anand, I'm not sure, bache. Not sure. It's a living thing. Plasma membrane is living. As compared to the cell wall, definitely it is. Awesome. Chaliye everyone. See, this is how you can write the answer in the examination. I'm not spending more time over here because it's easy. It's a very easy question. So, Kaju Katli. Kaju Katli question. Isha, we will be having tissues after this chapter. Okay? We'll have this. We will have the tissue chapter but next week. चलिए. So हिंदी में समझाने को बोलो तो ER दो तरीके के होते हैं, स्मूथ ER और रफ ER. स्मूथ ER में राइबोसोम्स प्रेजेंट नहीं होते हैं, वो लिपिड्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, राइट? स्मूथ और रफ ER में राइबोसोम्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, वो प्रोटीन्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. दोनों ही जरूरी है प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन की प्रोडक्शन के लिए, जिसे हम बोलते हैं मेम्ब्रेन बायोजेनेसिस. यस. हाँ, वैक्यूल सबसे बड़ा होता है इन प्लांट सेल्स. यस, बिकॉज वैक्यूल हैज अ लॉट ऑफ स्टोरेज. बहुत कुछ वो स्टोर करता है प्लांट्स के लिए. क्लियर? Cell membrane and plasma membrane. It's a very easy thing. We have discussed it. Everyone, what do you think about the difference between the cell membrane and the plasma membrane? Jaldi, jaldi say. We can write more points, Nitin, but 2 points are valid, like more than enough for you to for the class 9th. Yes, what do you think the difference between plasma membrane and cell membrane? We usually call them as same. They are the same only. Right? Mostly when we call them as, it's the same. Plasma membrane is the outer membrane, right? And cell membrane will be specific talk about it's the semi-permeable that comes. Yes, very good. Plasmolysis I explained you. Clear? Okay. The plasmolysis is nothing but when in the plant cells, right, this is a cell wall. As the water moves out, what happens, right, this particular cell wall will actually, cell membrane will shrink. It will shrink, right, it will shrink. And that is called as plasmolysis. Yes. Very good. Shrinkage of the protoplasm, absolutely correct. Rajni, not ignoring you, not ignoring anyone. Very good, very good. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, little panda. Yes. Okay, everyone. Where the plasma membrane shrink? Yes, innocent Harshit. Yes, everyone, look over here. How CO2 and water moves in and out? So CO2 is a gas, so it moves by a very important process with diffusion and water by osmosis. Ashraf will discuss about that. Yes, Kaju Katli question hai. Chalo everyone, this question, 1 marks question. Quickly. Bacterial cell does not contain definite nucleus. Is it correct or wrong? What do you think? It's easy, na? Bacterial cell does not have a definite nucleus. A nuclear membrane is absent in the bacterial cell. Hence, bacteria does not have a definite nucleus. It's correct. So we know that a bacteria don't have a nucleus. They have nucleoid, right? They have the nucleoid. And ribosomes are present. Okay? So we know that both the statements are absolutely correct and it's a correct explanation. Definitely everyone, this is the Kaju Katli. Now this question will, I'll give you 2 Kaju Katli actually. 2 Kaju Katli. हाँ 20 question है. I'm sure I messed up that. We have 20 questions. बढ़िया. Kaju Katli everyone. ठीक है? Next question में, oh this is a very difficult question. Now we have a difficult question everyone. Let's take a look over here. What are the 3 different types of plastid and we have to explain. Yes. See, three plastids, right? So I'll make what? Halwa ho gaya, jalebi ho gayi, kaju katli ho gayi. What is a very difficult mithai? I'll make rasmalai. Yes. What are the 3 different types of plastids? I'll make the rasmalai. I think वो थोड़ा सा fluidy रहती है. Right? And of course it has a milk, yummy yummy. So we have the rasmalai. Yes, chromoplast, chloroplast and leucoplast. So when we talk about the leucoplast, white in color, right? They are white in color. See over here? No color, basically colorless. They are transparent and they are present in the roots. See over here? They are present in the roots and they store the starch, oil granules, right? When we have chloroplast, green color. They are present in the leaves. And they perform photosynthesis. Very good everyone. Very good Anand. Very good Saloni. And then of course we have the last one, chromoplast. Present in fruits and in veggies. Colored and provide bright color. Easy peasy, right? It was a very easy question. But this is important. Everyone take a screenshot. Jaldi se. Rajat, oil granules are nothing but basically the small fat only which are surrounded like in droplets. Okay? Tiny oil droplets kind of stuff. Which of course when we look at it, we'll not be able to see it under the microscope. But that's of course a fat which is there. Screenshot taken, right? So this is a rasmalai question everyone. So we have 2 rasmalai here. Yes, enjoy the rasmalai. Oh, pizza also you want. Okay, fine, we'll have the pizza. Well, mithai chal rahi thi, but we can have chocolava cake, we can have brownies, we can have ice creams also. Interesting. So we'll be exploring the food options also. Yes. Yay, rasmalai mil gayi hum sabko. Okay. Yes, very good, Ramya. Very important point, everyone. These plastids have their own DNA, right? They have their own DNA, and they can make their own proteins also. Awesome. Chaliye. Before we move ahead, everyone, we have this very important thing for all of you, which is the Parents Club, right? Which will be happening on 21st of December. Please make sure to ask your parents to register for it. Done? Yes. Okay, it's a very interesting webinar where Chetna ma'am will be discussing about how we can set a goal and can achieve them. So you can ask your parents to join this. Yes. Okay, Diya. Sorry, now I'll remember your name. Science Olympiad question we'll have it later, bache. Rajni. Yes, Riya. Yes. Okay. I can see a very interesting question asked by what is the difference between cytoplasm and protoplasm? You only tell, chalo jaldi se. Right, what is the difference between cytoplasm and protoplasm? Yes, what is the difference between cytoplasm and protoplasm? Protoplasm is a living part of the cell, which includes the nucleus plus cytoplasm or all the organelles, and cytoplasm just includes the organelles, right? Cytoplasm, we have a difference, Protoplasm is a living part, right? Cytoplasm is where we have all the organelles spread. Protoplasm includes two things. It includes the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Yes, collenchyma is there in the tissues. Type of a simple permanent tissue. Rajni, you can watch the session, but in this class we'll not be discussing this. Yes, very good, Saloni. Who done the protoplasm? You only tell, Swati. Purkinji, right? Yes, okay. Let's go back, everyone, to the next question. Here we have. Acha, everyone. Jawab do jaldi se. It's a very easy question. Very good, Vaishnavi. Very good. Yes. What is the difference between plant cell and an animal cell? Okay, this is a pizza question. Okay, chalo. We're moving away from the sweet. See, everyone, we have some tomatoes. Okay, and we'll add lots of cheese. So here we have the cheese also. It's a cheeseburger pizza, right? Full of cheese pizza. Yes. What is the difference between plant cell and an animal cell? हाँ, वो भी add करेंगे. We'll add. We have everything today. Yes. So let's see the difference between the plant cell and the animal cell. See, plant cells, we know that they have the cell wall, which is different, right? Then they have plastid, which is not there in the animal cell. Rest all are there. But in the plant cell, there are two important organelles which are not there in the animal cell. First, of course, cell wall is only present in plant cell and plastids also. In animal cell, they just have the plasma membrane. Clear? Vacuole are large in number, but in plant cells, vacuoles are one very big vacuole is there. Yes. Rajni, I think you're talking about the collenchyma. It's there in the tissues. Acha, momos also we need. Yes, cool. We'll have the momos also. Purnima, yes, centrioles are present only in the animal cells and not in the plant cell. Chaliye. Here we have, everyone. See, look at this particular question. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Excuse me, sorry. Yes. Right, so in the next question, I'll give you the momos. Very good. Yes, remember in protoplasm, we have both the things, cytoplasm and the nucleus. Yes, here we have, everyone. Okay, how do animal cells, okay, why do animal cells don't have the cell wall? Okay, it's a momos question, everyone. I don't know the momos design, but yeah, momos question. Yes, tell me, everyone. Very easy peasy question. Why the animal cells does not have a cell wall? What do you think the reason behind it? Right, what is the reason behind it? Jaldi se bataiye. Why you think that animal cells does not have the cell wall? Yes, I can see the correct answer. Yes, I remember you. Welcome to the class. Yes, we'll have that also, Vaishnavi. Yes, so very important thing which we have to remember is that the cell wall is very rigid. And it's very stiff, right? Because if the cell wall will be there, we'll not be able to do the movement properly. That's a very important first thing. So, it's not really flexible also, right? We need flexibility. So, because of these reasons, right, we have the movements, right, and we have to move, we have to be flexible. That's why we don't have the cell wall, okay? Animal cells do not have the cell wall because the cell wall is very rigid. It actually reduces the flexibility. It reduces the flexibility and we need the flexibility for moving. Cell wall reduces the locomotion ability and hence we don't have it. So here everyone is a momos question. Green color ke momos. Jalebi will have that also. Clear everyone? Are we clear? Yes, give me a thumbs up now. I want to see all of you are there with me or not. We will discuss about division also. Thumbs up very quickly everyone. Yes, Ankit, plants, cell wall is present only in plant cells. Yes. Clear, very good. Yes, awesome everyone. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Right? Differentiate between diffusion and osmosis. Now everyone, let's focus here. It's very, very important. Right? It's very important topic. So we'll focus. Harika, I'll tell you have to wait for some time. Kushal, not at all ignoring you. I can read your message. Okay. Chaliye everyone. Diffusion occurs from high concentration to the low concentration. Clear? But in diffusion there is no membrane, right? But in osmosis, we'll see the movement happening from high concentration to the lower concentration and through a semi-permeable membrane. Clear? There is a membrane which is coming in the osmosis. Osmosis is a special type of diffusion. Absolutely correct. Clear everyone? So for example, if I spray, right, if I'm standing in one part of the room and if I'm spraying something, it will actually travel in the air and it will come right to you. I'm sure if you drop a ink in a glass of water, you'll be able to see that. That is nothing but the diffusion. Right? Yes. And what is osmosis? When we see that, when you add a raisin into a bowl, which is filled with water and you leave it overnight, next day it will swell. Reverse osmosis will be ulta of it. Exo-osmosis. Yes. You're right. Yes, thank you Rajni, thank you. Very good Anand, very good Rama. Sorry, very good. I forgot your Diya. Diya. Your name is Diya. Yes. Yes, it's okay. You can watch it again, bache. Kushal, hydrolytic enzymes are present. Hydrolytic enzymes. Yes, I will Harika. Clear? Okay everyone. So here we have this diagram that we have already discussed. Please make sure you to write in this way. Always remember when they ask you for the difference, please make a tabular column and write. Over here. It's an ice cream question actually. Here's an ice cream for each one of us. Cone ice cream. Yes. Okay? We will have Science Olympiad questions also, but not now, maybe the next month. Very good, Innocent. Yes, I know, Harshit, you did. Okay, everyone. Let's move to the next question. Okay. Very, very important. I'm sure all of you have a lot of doubts here, right? What is cell division? And then we have to tell what are the different types. Yes, now this everyone is a palak paneer question, which is a very long dish which takes a lot of time. We can call it as dal bati churma question. It takes a lot of time, right? So let's understand this is a very, very important question. Cell division is nothing but a process where the cell will divide to give rise to the different types or basically same type of cell. Clear? Cell division, basically cell is producing, cell is reproducing. We can say that cell is producing itself. Similar kind of cell, that is cell division. Divide, okay? It is producing something, and there are two types. We have mitosis and meiosis. See over here, everyone. Okay, now let's understand this. Mitosis. Everyone focus here. See, mitosis, right, happens in the body cells. For example, I'm just writing the example skin. Clear? So the cells in our skin, right, they will divide. From one cell, they will form the two cell. Yes? Clear? And they will be the same, right? Parent will be same and the offspring will also be exactly same. Easy peasy, everyone. Are we clear? Yes, Aryan. Yes, Rajni. Yes, Arvind. Yes, Anand, Purnima, Aryan. Yes, Purnima. Yes, from the pre-existing cells. Is absolutely correct. हाँ वो भी बनाएंगे पर बहुत ही जल्दी बन जाएगी, so we'll have it. Clear? Yes, Vidhi. So this is mitosis, which will be happening in the skin cell. Example that we'll all remember. Same type of cell will produce and will have two daughter cells. Then we have meiosis. Okay. In meiosis, it will happen in germ cells. Okay. Can you tell me what are germ cells? I'm sure all of us have studied about the germ cells. Right? What are germ cells, everyone? Tell me. I'm sure you have studied about these in class 8th. Reproductive cells. Very good. Very proud of you, everyone. Reproductive cells are also called as germ cells, right? Now they are present in the testis and in the ovaries. Right? Basically reproductive cells. Sperm and ovum are the reproductive cells. Now when they divide, what will happen? They will form four. Basically, we will see as the cells have been formed, right? In the ovaries and in the testes, the cells will divide, right? And they will form, from one cell we'll get four daughter cells. Clear? We'll get four daughter cells. Sperm and ovum are a type of reproductive cell or a germ cells. Kushal, we still, I'm not sure, the scientists are working on this, right? On the cure for the cancer. Okay, are we clear, everyone? About the mitosis and meiosis? Yes. So this is how, but in your class 9, there is no much detail on mitosis and meiosis. Meiosis is called as reductional division and mitosis is called as equal division. Equational division, basically. Yes, we have this question, okay? Very good, everyone. So it's a very easy peasy question now. Yes, the chromosomes number will get reduced to half because there's a reduction happening. 2 times the division will be happening in the gamete cells and the number of chromosomes will become half. Yes, Rajni, please write your question. Very good, half chromosome. Just refresh your page. If you have the screen blur, just refresh your page. Okay, very good, everyone. Chaliye. Yes, okay. Let's move to the next question. Question number 15, everyone. Easy peasy. Acha, what is the difference between cell wall and plasma membrane? Is it picture quality is not clear? Okay, it's fine to me. Thank you, Rishabh. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, everyone. See, this is, I will not call out the name, but I think many of you love the yellow color noodles. So it's a very easy peasy question, right? So here we have hot yummy noodles like this. I'll not call out the name, but you know what we have. Yes, I think Vaishnavi was really waiting for these. Kushal, you have to ask this question to Saurav sir. Very good, very good. We have the answers. So the difference between cell wall and the plasma membrane, especially in terms of functional, we know that both act as an outer membrane, right? Cell wall where is very stiff, which is very stiff. Plasma membrane is very flexible, which is one is living, one is non-living. One is selectively very permeable, and one is freely permeable. Yes. Very good. Yes. I know Vaishnavi for you. Yes, Purnima. Yes, Rajni. Yes, cell wall is basically it's not living. So here we have cell membrane helps in the transportation of membrane from in and out, right? And cell wall is really very rigid. It provides a protection and gives us shapes also. Molecules, Rishabh, basically are, when we talk about when we have atoms, right, when they combine together, we have the molecules, right? And they basically, there are different types of molecules which are there in the body, and they actually help. They help in the chemical reaction. They take part in the chemical reaction. Very good, Harshit. Very good, Mohit. Very good, Purnima. Yes, Sakshi. Sakshi, Hardik and Rajni, क्या चल रहा है? Yes. Now, Rajni, you have to make sure you're not talking. I'm answering your question, but you are not interested in class. Everyone, let's focus in class. Very good, everyone. So here for all of us, easy peasy. Yellow, yummy noodles. Here we have, in a bowl. Yes. Awesome, everyone. Chaliye. Last 5 questions, everyone. Last 5 questions. Okay. Here we have, everyone, before we move ahead, right, we have a very interesting quiz which will be starting from the 19th of December. Please make sure you download the Byju's app and join this. We'll have so much fun. It's okay, Rajni. Let's just focus here in class now. Okay. Yes. Everyone, last 5 questions. Very quickly, let's finish them all. Acha, what is active transportation? Acha, Rishabh, please, I'm sorry. Please do remind me. I'll answer this question later. Pakka sa. I'll remember. And I'll answer this question. Everyone, jaldi bataiye, what is active transportation and what is the difference between active and passive transport? See, the word active is coming over here, right? It's okay, Hardik. Let's just focus now. Yes, very good, everyone. Very good, Mihir. In the active transport, energy is needed. Very good, Ramya. Very good, Diya, sorry. Yes, very good, Aryan. Very good, Rajni. Yes, Anushka. Yes, Harshit. Okay. So everyone, see over here. See, this is a little bit of hill, right? Very good, Mohit and Saloni. See, to go up, right, we need the energy. That is the active transport. Okay? When there is a requirement of the energy in any of the transport happening inside the cell, we call it as the active transport. Okay? But if you're coming down, right, we don't need much energy, and that is called as passive transport. Are we clear? Passive transport, we don't need any energy, and there are 2 types. We have diffusion and osmosis. We have studied, right? Yes, we have discussed this. Okay, diffusion, and we have the osmosis, which does not require any energy. Molecules move from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. Absolutely correct. Then we have the active energy. Active energy means there is requirement of the energy, right? ATP is required. And of course, the molecules will move from the low concentration to the high concentration. Yes. Little panda, passive is not secondary type of transport. Usually it happens naturally in the cells. Okay? Very good. Very good. Yes. But the question on diffusion comes. Got it, Hardik? Sorry, got it, Rajni? Okay. Yes. Let's take a look at the next question, everyone. Question number 17. Acha. Now we're talking about the powerhouse of the cell. Yes, Rishabh, it can come. Okay. Which organelle is called as a powerhouse of the cell? Mihir, I will discuss that. Very good, Neeraj. Which are more important or amount? Kushal, can you rephrase your question? Nahin, plant cells mein we have. See, if there is molecules transferring, Of course, we'll have the active transport, but usually we have the diffusion or the osmosis in plant cells. Very good. We are talking about the mitochondria. So mitochondria is also called as a powerhouse of the cell. Very good, everyone. Right? It is where we'll see the formation of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. And this is the energy currency of the cell. It provides the energy. Right? And of course, when we talk about the structure of the mitochondria, they have two membranes. They have outer membrane and inner membrane. They have lot of cisterns, right? They have cristae, we say it as these. These fold, right? And they have their own DNA. Right? They have their own DNA. This is very important for all of us to remember. And they can make their own proteins. They have their ribosomes also. So that means that they are kind of self-sufficient organelle. Yes? Yes, the inner folds that we have are there to increase the surface area for the synthesis of ATP. Very good, everyone. Very good. I'm super proud of you. You remember all of these points. Okay. So this is how you can frame the answer, everyone. Here we have. Which are more in amount, prokaryotes or eukaryotes? In terms of in the word, we always say prokaryotes. Yes. Matrix, a third, is a fluid which is there inside the, basically inside between the spaces, right? That is the matrix. Okay, thank you, Kushal. Thank you, Rajni. Yes. Okay. So we can write in this way, everyone. Okay, question number 18. Very quickly, everyone. Okay, Ria is asking us a very important question. Semi-autonomous organs are those that they can actually, they have their own DNA, so they can repair themselves. They can do a lot of things by themselves. They're kind of independent, not completely independent because they are inside the cell. But even though they are inside the cell there, they can control their functions by themselves. That's why we call them as semi-autonomous organelles. Animal husbandries, yes, they have the breeding part of it. I'm sure that we have discussed. Everyone clear? Fluid matrix is present in, of course we have. Matrix basically is a kind of fluid, right? If there's a gap, right? We have something over there we call as a matrix. Okay, yes. Arsh, Aishwarya ma'am did a session on the diversity. Leaderboard mein will have all the mithai. Yes. The organs which are completely independent. Okay, Mihir? Okay. Okay, we have to select the odd one, everyone. And I think all of you have selected the odd one out over here. The odd one out over here is the movement of water across a semi-permeable membrane is affected by the amount of substance dissolved into it. Okay, let's see what we are talking about over here. We're talking about the plasma membrane. Right, and we know that plasma membrane mein movement will occur about the dissolved the substance that we have, right? When the molecules will move in and out, it is possible because of the requirement of the cell. The molecules will move in and out only when the plasma membrane is, basically if there is a requirement of any molecules. Membrane are made up of organic molecules like protein and lipids, and molecules soluble in the organic solvent can easily pass through the membrane. Yes. Very good, very good. So over here is an easy peasy question, and this is we have, right, the plasma membrane contains chitin, sugar in plants, which is not. Very good. Here we go, everyone. To the next question. Easy. A cell is a building unit of an organism. Elaborate. Easy peasy, right? Why we call as a cell as a building organ? Yes, Mihir. Chitin we have in the fungi. Swati, plasma membrane is selectively permeable because it will allow only the entry and the exit of molecules which are required by the cell. Not all the molecules can move easily. Okay? Why, everyone, the cell is called as building block? Jaldi se batao. We will have the chapter 15 also, Kushal. In the upcoming weeks, we will have it. Don't worry. Yes, everyone. In a building, in a cell, is called as building block. Why? Because actually it's a fundamental unit of life. It is the one that comes together and form the whole structure. Yes, so we have that is a structural function unit of life. That's why we call it as that. So cell are the building unit of the organism. Cells perform a similar function to join, to form the tissues and further the organ system and organism, and that's how we have the whole structure. This was a very easy question. I'm just giving you a Kaju Katli over here. Okay, last question everyone. We don't have Menti today, so please don't ask for code. We don't have Menti. Okay, this is super important everyone. Very, very important question. How are chromatin, chromatid, chromosome are related to each other? Yes, Rishabh, I remember your doubt. Eutrophication. Yes. Everyone, can you tell me what is the difference between chromatin, chromatid and chromosome? Acha. What is this? First of all, tell me what is this? What we call this structure as? Tell me. Is it chromosome? Is it chromatin or is it chromatin material? What is this structure that we have over here? Very good, Anand. Yes, we have other names. It's flower. Nahi, Rajni. I know that you know the answer. Very good. It's the chromosome. Ankit, zinc is present in... I didn't get it. Can you specify your question? Very good. This is the chromosome. So, chromosomes are visible only during the cell division. Okay? Okay, chalo. What is this, everyone? What is this? The double helical structure, what we call this as? Flower में नहीं लग रहा. Yes, what we call this structure as? जो हमारे cells के अंदर में है, right? Which we have inside the nucleus. Very good. The DNA. Now we have a DNA, right? We have the DNA in the cells. When we compress it, if this DNA is packed beautifully in these tightly tight structures, this structure is called as chromatin, right? We call it as the chromatin. Yes, sorry. We call it as the chromatin. Clear? We call it as a chromatin. Yes. And this structure, everyone. This structure is called as chromatid. Okay? In chromosome, we have two arms. Each of these arms is called as chromatid. Got it? Clear? Yes. Let's see now. So we have the chromosomes. We have sister chromatid, chromatin, proteins and DNA. So the DNA is wrapped on the proteins, right? For the better packaging. Varaprasad, we don't have the Menti today. So you'll not be able to join. Rajni, you have to tell me. We don't have a full form of that. Okay, so this is how you can write the answer, everyone, in the examination. Mention about each of the point. You can mention how it is packed and how it is done. Chaliye. So this is my favorite, everyone. We have with us, okay, orange. We have motichur ka laddus. Choti choti bundis, right? We have, everyone, all of you. Enjoy the sweet. It's motichur ka laddu. मेरा नाम अंकिता है. Okay. Everyone, before we end our class, there are a few doubts which were asked by your friends, right? First thing was, what is a eutrophication? So eutrophication, what happens when, for example, if we have a lake, right, and we have a lot of fertilizers going in that particular place. बहुत fertilizers जा रहा है, right? And what will happen? That will have the growth, right? That will have the growth of the algae. They will cover the water body. It will have a green color structure. Right, and of course, the other organisms which are living under the water will not be able to get the oxygen, right? And eventually they will, slowly they will die. So that is called as eutrophication. It's a kind of pollution that we all say. Everyone, I hope that you have hit the like button. Jaldi se. How many of you have hit the like button? Thank you so much, everyone. But ruk jao abhi, jao mat. Wait for one more minute. Wait for one more minute. Eutrophication clear? Yes. Hit the like button अगर अभी तक hit the like button नहीं करा है तो. I know I have, yes, I have cold and cough and cold. RNA is ribonucleic acid. we usually have that RNA in the few of the viruses as a genetic material. Kar diya, very good Mohit. Acha. Then I think there was one more doubt. It's a very important doubt. It's not a doubt, I would say. It was a very good discussion point. Harika was asking ma'am, how to avoid the negative people in life. You know that, see, if you know that it's a negative people, at least it's good that you're able to identify. You have identified them as a negative individual. Now you know that it's not helpful for you. They will be saying bad things to you, right? And you know that if you're there in their influence, you might feel bad and you will not be able to grow. So the easiest way, which is the toughest way, is to cut them off. But I know it will be difficult for you. You'll not be able to do it in a one go. But slowly have a distance, right? For example, if you're talking to them throughout the day, just talk to them for 1 hour. I know if you do it right away, it will be difficult. But you know what? If you can do that, it will be good for you. Please understand everyone, our health, be it the physical or the mental health, is really very important, right? So we have to find our ways to make sure that the negative influencing people are nowhere close to us, and we have to make sure we are taking care of ourselves. Yes, chaliye everyone. With this, we are done. A reminder for all of you, please make sure to check this course out for English to improve your English. Okay? You've got you covered, as we all say. Okay, little panda. Plasmolysis. When we will see the shrinking of the plasma membrane in our plant cells, right? If the water is not there, right, the plasma membrane and other organelles will shrink. This is called as plasmolysis. Thank you, Anand. Biofertilizers ka, Rishabh, aap batao. Thank you, Anuj. Thank you, Innocent Harshit. Thank you, Ria. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Rishabh, write the comments, make question and I'll answer there. Easy one, Unina, so I will find the easy one for you. Biofertilizer, we are talking about some organisms, right? Living organisms. Arsh, hybridization is nothing but the mixing, right? When we are desiring for some particular characteristic in a plant or an animal, when we mix the two characteristics, we call it as a hybridization. Thank you, Purnima. Bye-bye, Mohit. Bye-bye, Dipanshu. Thank you so much. Lots of love to each one of you, everyone. And please make sure to hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel, everyone. This is super important for us. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. Yes? Like everyone, hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Lots of love, everyone. If you have any doubts, please make sure to write in the comment section. Now we have another session, so I have to rush. Right? Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Lots of love to each one of you. And please make sure that if you're new, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Bye bye everyone. Lots of love. Ta-da.